Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the console can receive the update. Confirm you have at least 512 MB free, sign into your gamer tag, and connect to the network. Once done, run the test network connection in System Settings to confirm online access. If your network uses a captive portal or password, enter credentials now so the console can reach Xbox services. This avoids failed downloads and saves time when the update initiates. You'll now trigger the actual update. Go to System Settings and check for updates. If a prompt appears, select Download Now. The console will download files and prepare installation. This can take several minutes depending on your connection. Once download completes, the system may restart and apply the update. Don't interrupt power or unplug storage during this phase. If installation stalls, note the error code so you can look it up or use recovery options later. You're almost done. After the console restarts, check system info to confirm the dashboard version updated. Make sure your saved games and profiles synced to Xbox Live. This prevents data loss. If the dashboard is sluggish, clear the system cache and restart. This often resolves residual issues. Should the update fail, try again with an Ethernet cable or apply the update via a formatted USB flash drive. These steps reduce network-related errors and increase the chance of a successful install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.